Hi class, today I'm going to be reading you the book Charlie Parker Played Be Bop, and it is written and illustrated by Chris Rashka. He's the author because he wrote the words, and he's the illustrator because he drew the pictures. And again, this is the front cover, this is the spine of the book, and then this is the back cover of the book. And again, we're listening for those words that show sound. Charlie Parker played Be Bop. Charlie Parker played saxophone. The music sounded like Be Bop. Never leave your cat alone. Be Bop, fist, fist. Lollipop, boomba, boomba. Bus stop, zoom, zoom. Boppity, bippity, bop, bang. Charlie Parker played Be Bop. Charlie Parker played no trombone. The music sounded like Be Bop. Barbecue that last leg bone. Alphabet, alphabet, alf, A, B, C, D, E, chickadee, chickadee, chick. Oversized shoes, O, overshoes, overshoes, O. Reedy footy, reedy footy, reedy footy, ree. This is kind of a funny poem. Charlie Parker played Be Bop. Charlie Parker played alto saxophone. Music sounded like hip, hop. Never leave your cat alone. Alone. That had lots of sound in it, didn't it? I think that this music might be from a different place, but it was very, very fun to read.